Hello, Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? Today we will be learning in this journey of ours of starting the journey of coding in seconds how to accept the invitation of collaboration on GitHub. So let's start. First of all, I will open up my Gmail. Whenever someone will invite you to collaborate on their project, you will get an email on Gmail. So this Hussein Murtaza 786 has invited me to collaborate with him. I am accepting his invitation. Here I have the page of his repository. I can go here, copy this URL. So now after copying, I have two options to start collaborating on this page. First of all, I will open up my GitHub Desktop. So either here I have some repository opened up. I can go to clone repository. Now either I can search the repository I have been shared with here on this area, or either I can add the repository URL here and open up that repository as a clone in my local machine. So I have written the URL here and I'm cloning it. So I have this pause app, point of sale app open up here. Now I can open this code in Visual Studio. Let's open it up. See, we are having all the files available here to be modified, added, subtracted, any code. I am now in the main branch of this code. So for I to make changes in this code, it is advisable that I make a branch in here. I will work on that branch so the main branch is not hurt or bugged up with my inconsistency of code or incoherence. How do we make a new branch? So here I can make a new branch here. New branch. I can call it Hussein Easy Work. Okay. Now I can publish this branch on the remote repository also. Publishing means all of my teammates will know that I have made a branch, and if I make a code change here, that code change will be showing up there. So for example, I want on this home page to be said welcome to the pause system. So I have done some changes here. These changes will get automatically be reflected on this GitHub Desktop application. It will catch up where I have made the changes. I can now submit these changes on the remote GitHub repository, on the online GitHub repository from my desktop. I can say added the welcome message. This is the comment message. This will show when you have committed your code change of code what was the change about. It will show the details. So if a while, after a while you see the code, you can gather up where and why you had made this change. So Bismillah, make a change here, and here it goes. My change has been pushed up to the online repository. But just wait, it hasn't been pushed to the main origin file. It is now pushed to my branch, the Hussein History branch. If I want this branch to be my change to be reflected on the main origin branch, I can push it to the origin. But I will not do this because I don't want to hurt the main code. Thank you very much. We will be in the next lesson seeing that how, if I have cloned a repository from GitHub, how I can run it, what dependencies or software I need to install first in order to run JavaScript applications on my local machine. Thank you very much.